Today concept is overriding concept. So take first go to SRC. What is overriding? If at all a function existing in parent class, then that function if we write in child class, then that concept is called overriding. Parent class function should be there in child class. If you want any extra functions in child class, we can write it. So that is called overriding. Model 1 is there. Where is model 1? Where it is? Take the new project and taking new project, click on Java project, click on next, Java, click on finish. Go to SRC, take the new class name is model 1, click on finish. So first public void call so control space model 1 call copy control V control V control V reject model 1 reject message model 1 message model 1 WhatsApp model 1 WhatsApp save copy go to SRC take the new model 2 click on finish model 2 call model 2 message model 2 WhatsApp model 2 reject. Here I am writing extra function also. Model 2 internet. Model 1 is the parent class. Whatever we have in parent class function should be there in child class. In child class, if you want any extra functions, you can write it. So this concept is called overriding. If at all a function existing in parent class, then that function, if you write in child class, then that concept is called overriding. So parent class we have call, reject, message, WhatsApp. So in the child class we have all functions. So this concept is called overriding concept. Don't confuse with overriding and overloading, madam. It's very important. Okay, right. Next, I want to call these functions from another class. Go to SRC, take the new class name is over, keep the mark public static void main, click on finish. I want to call the static non-static function from another class. How we can call? Class name reference name equal to new class name. Class name is model 1, model 1 m equal to new model 1, model 1 m equal to new model 1. So m1 dot m dot call m1 m dot call m dot message m dot reject m dot WhatsApp in that WhatsApp model 2 m2 equal to new model 2 m2 dot call m2 dot m2 dot message m2 dot reject m2 dot WhatsApp m2 dot internet. This is the concept to overriding concept. This is the concept to overriding concept. This concept name is overriding concept. Next concept, very important concept. Only for this concept we learn Java. The concept name is interface. What is interface? What is interface? Next concept name is interface. Next concept name is interface. Next concept name is interface. What is interface?
Execute QPL is
So after once again, it's a internal just connecting concept, madam. So same model 1 call, model 1 message, model 1 reject, model 1 WhatsApp, model 1 model 2 call, model 2 message, model 2 reject, model 2 WhatsApp, model 2 internet. So whatever we wrote that logic, it will print in here. What ma?
pick up Java options
So
in
that is the Java error, madam. That is not problem, madam.
okay.
Next concept name is interface. What is interface? Do you know anything about interface, madam? Interface. What is interface? It is something created between two somethings. Interface is something created between two somethings. In between two somethings, I am keeping something, so that is called interface. In between two somethings, I am keeping something, that is called interface. Interface is something created between two somethings. In between two somethings, I am keeping something, that is called interface. Interface is something created between two somethings. Interface is something created between two somethings. In between two somethings, I am keeping something, that is interface. Okay, what is interface concept? We will discuss now. So, for example, iPhone people, we have iPhone people. We iPhone people. In iPhone, we have different models, madam. In iPhone, we have different models. In iPhone, we have different models. 3SU, 4SU, 5SU, 6SU, 7SU. We have different models in iPhone. We have different models in iPhone. So this iPhone people finally decided they want to maintain some common features in each and every model. The iPhone people finally decided they want to maintain some common features in each and every model. If they want to introduce any model into market, first of all, they want to maintain some common features in each and every model. That's the reason they are creating one interface. They are creating one interface. They are creating one interface. So in the interface, they want to maintain some common functions in each and every model. In iPhone, we have thousands of models. For example, they want to maintain some common features in each and every model. So reject, reject, message, WhatsApp. Reject, message, WhatsApp. They want to maintain these common features in each and every model. That's the reason they are creating an interface and they are keeping the functions. They are keeping the functions. If they want to introduce any if they want to introduce any model into market, first of all, they will install these interface functions. After that, if they want any extra function, they can add it. But final intention is they want to maintain some this interface functions in each and every model. If at all any interface function missing, automatically it will show error. Okay, So interface, what is the concept to iPhone people? They want to maintain some common features in each and every model. That's the reason they are creating one interface. What they want to maintain, they want to maintain some common features. So that common features they are keeping in interface. They are keeping in interface. If they want to introduce any, if they want to introduce any model into market, first of all they will install this interface first of all. After that, if they want any extra function, they can add it. But each and every model should contain these interface functions. If at all any interface function missing, automatically it will show error. Automatically it will show error. How it is, it will show error or not, we can check it. So if it is 4 functions, manually we can check it, madam. So each and every model having these functions or not, manually we can check it. But each and every iPhone having thousands of functions. If you want to check manually, it is very difficult. So that's the reason we can use implement. We can use implement keyword, and we will use interface concept. We will use implement keyword, and we will use interface concept. What is it? What is that concept? We will discuss now. First of all, we need to create one interface. How to create an interface? Just same. Go to SRC, take new interface. New interface. Interface name is iPhone. Interface name is iPhone. Click on finish. Click on finish. Here they want to maintain some common features. Then write the code. Public void call. Public void call. Next, public void message. Public void message. Public void reject. Public void WhatsApp. Public void WhatsApp. They want to maintain these common functions in each and every model. Each and every model. Okay, right. So that's the reason they are keeping an interface. Save it. Now I want to check model 1 having this interface functions or not. I want to check. Just go to model 1. Just write the keyword implements iPhone. So if it is there, it will not show any error. So 4 functions is there. Whatever we have in interface, that 4 functions we have in model 1. So it will not show any error. If it is any function missing, automatically it will show error. For example, there is no call function. So automatically it will show error. Automatically it will show error. Automatically it will show error. Right. So model 2 having these interface functions or not, I want to check. Just go to model 2, just type implements iPhone. If it is there, it will not show any error. So if it is an extra function is there, it will not show any error. So compulsory that interface function should contain each and every model. That is the our intention. So in extra function you can maintain in each and every model. There is no restrictions. But whatever we have in interface function should be there in each and every model. That is the concept. That is the concept. Okay. So today we will discuss only one line. This line purpose we learn Java. That line is that line is that line is interface name, reference name equal to new class name. Interface name, reference name equal to new class name. What is the interface here? iPhone. iPhone I equal to new model 1. I am taking model 1 class. So here we can call all the interface functions. I dot call we can get it. I dot reject we can get it. I dot message we can get it. I dot WhatsApp we can get it. Right. I want to call the model 2 functions also through interface reference. iPhone I1 equal to new model 2. New model 2. iPhone I1 equal to new model 2. I1 dot call I1 dot call, I1 dot message, I1 dot reject, I1 dot WhatsApp. So now tell me, madam, I1 dot internet will come or not? No. Through class reference, we can call all class functions. Through interface reference, we can call only interface function. That is the main difference. And you should observe carefully, ma. In the what is the main difference between call function and interface function? Interface function don't have any function body. Interface function don't have any function body. And here observe carefully. Through class reference, we can call all the class functions. Through interface reference, we can call the only interface functions only. We can call the interface functions only. That is the concept. That is the concept to interface. Here we learned only one line, madam. That line is interface name reference name equal to new class name. Only for this line purpose we learn Java. Tomorrow onwards we will learn only, we will use only this line. Only this line, madam. Only one line purpose we learn Java, madam. That is the concept. That is the concept. That concept name is interface and overriding concept. Save, click on run. Whatever you logic mentioned, that logic it will print here. Model 1 call, model 1 message, model 1 reject, model 1 WhatsApp. Model 2 call, model 2 message, model 2 reject, model 2 WhatsApp, model 2 internet. Model 1 call, model 1 reject, model 1 message, model 2 WhatsApp, model 1 WhatsApp. Model 2 call, model 2 message, model 2 reject, model 2 WhatsApp. So that is the concept to overriding and interface concept to mark.